In this video, I will show you how to download ChatGPT on desktop. So to get started, go ahead and open the Microsoft Store into your PC. Now in here, go ahead and use the search bar to search for ChatGPT. So go ahead and use this to look for ChatGPT on Microsoft Store. Hit on enter and then under results, go ahead and click on ChatGPT. So this will take you into the page, and then in here you'll be able to learn more about this application that you can install to your PC. So simply hit on that get button to be able to install ChatGPT into your PC using the Microsoft Store. So once you have installed the app, go ahead and press Alt and space to launch ChatGPT instantly. This version includes voice mode, screenshot analysis, file uploads, and a companion window for multitasking. And that is how you can basically download ChatGPT on desktop.